Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the app drawer on the REALME P3 Lite 5G. So on the REALME phones you have this app drawer, so if you scroll from the home screen to the top like this, it opens up this drawer which contains all of the apps that are installed. So if they're not on the home screen, they are in the app drawer. And if you want to enable or disable this option, I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings. I'm going to guide you from the start. So open up the settings, select wallpaper and style, then tap home screen, and here we're going to tap on home screen mode. And you have two options, so standard mode, and then you have the drawer mode. And the standard mode just removes the drawer mode, and you have the drawer mode enabled right here. So if you select the option that you want and then press apply, it warns you that some home screen icons may be changed. So just press switch, and then once we exit out, and here as you can see there's no more drawer. There's only the trends which are enabled right here. And if you want to enable the drawer again, just select drawer mode and press apply. And now let's check it out, and if we return to the home screen, scroll up, there we go, the drawer is back. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.